Hair loss is a common medical condition that can affect up to 70% of men and 40% cellular regeneration procedure is being developed to treat this condition. First, a punch biopsy is used to isolate healthy hair follicles from the scalp of a patient. Hair follicles are then dissected, leaving the hair's root. The dermal sheath cup which surrounds the root is inverted to reveal the dermal papilla, which is then discarded. The syringe is inserted into the upper dermis of the scalp, and the patient's own cells are injected below the skin's epidermal layer. The injected dermal sheath cup cells can migrate to damaged and dormant hair follicles to rejuvenate and further stimulate the growth of hair fibers.